Hey everybody, welcome to Furry Woods Honey Farm. Here we are today putting together a few supers, getting ready for the honey flow. Here's Dad doing a little work in the shop. We have found that it does take quite a bit of glue to keep these boxes together. We built boxes the first year and we found that we went a little light, so we are using more glue now, hopefully to keep these boxes going for a few more years. Here we're using the vices in order to pull the box together in hopes that it'll help square the box when we go to nail them. In the previous years, Dad and I had just bought some lumber and then cut it down to size to build our boxes. Now Dad went ahead and bought some pre-cut lumber. These boxes have been much easier to square. Look at that precision nailing. Alright, and here we are with our finished hive. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.